Boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-through for a marvelous Friday edition brought to you by the deli. Hungry? Stop by the deli. Get yourself a turkey, bacon, roast beef, and peppered turkey sandwich on Hawaiian. I'm so hungry. On Hawaiian with 2 pieces of American cheese, hot mustard, and a little bit of mayonnaise. Yeah, I know. It's going to be a really good day. Yeah, sun chips, roasted, what is it? The harvest cheddar. Yes. Oh my God, I'm starving right now. Okay, so look, this is a system. A system means more than one thing of inequalities. Inequalities mean we have taken out the equal sign and put it in the greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, yada, 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 okay? So a couple things to remember. Less than, it's dotted, and you shade below. You might want to jot this down on the open parts of your page, okay? Greater than is dotted, and you shade above. Less than or equal to, it is, what's the opposite of dotted? Solid. Exactly. Thank you. Solid. And it's below. And then greater than or equal to is solid and above. That's how I would describe most of you guys in here. Solid and above. That's right. You guys are all greater than or equal to's. Okay, so look, there is a way for your calculator to change this little symbol right here to a less than or a greater than, and we Googled it earlier in the day, and then we found out that it was completely more trouble than it was worth. Yeah, Meg, lights. So what I'm going to do is just basically a review of how to graph these things, and then we're just going to shade it by hand, okay? So we go up here, we graph negative 4x squared plus 4x. We come down here, it's x squared minus 2x minus 8, and then we graph it, we take a look at what's going on. You got an upside down one, and you got a right side up one. Okay? Notice, we are going below the upside down one and above the one that's right side up. So essentially, our answer is going to be everything in between those two. Does that make sense? If you remember, and I'm going to get myself a new page here now, so I can put a graph on it. If you remember, it helps us to graph these by looking at the table. So 0, here's how you read this. This is the first graph, so I'm going to graph this one in blue. Okay? So 0, 0 is on that one. Oh no, don't do it. I know. 0, 0 is on that one. 1, 0 is on that one. 2, negative 8 is on that one. Negative 1, negative 8 is on that one. And let's see, that means the vertex must be in between 0 and 1, probably right here. Oh, I just messed it up. What did I mess up? It should be dotted. So that's okay. I got my inner right board. Here you go. All right. So we will shade below that one because in our original equation, if I go back to screen, it was less than the negative one. Okay? Now, if we look at y2, I'll change that one to red. Y2 has 0, negative 8. 1 comma negative 9. Looks like that's our vertex. 2 comma negative 8. 3 negative 5. And now by symmetry, I know that it'll be negative 1 negative 5. And this is also dashed. And we would want to go above that one. I'll change this to like a green. And then the answer to the question, I'll turn into pink. And that's everything, I better finish that, everything that was green and pink, sorry, green and yellow is our answer. So what you might want to do is just skip the other part and just graph the actual answer, which will be this football-looking thing. And that is all of the points. How many points are in this area? Infinite, good answer. That's all of the points that satisfy both of these equations. That's what you've just figured out. That's it. Got it? Can I get a boom? Thank you. It was a good one.